Hey everybody, John here over at Byrider Green Bay, coming back with another quick video. We're doing another vehicle highlight for you guys, and this time I'm going to be showing you our 2014 Chevy Cruze. One of the biggest benefits of our 2014 Chevy Cruze in the blue is the fact that this one has one of the biggest benefits that people love in Wisconsin, and that is, of course, remote start. So if you look at your key fob right here, if you tap that lock button twice and then hit the circle, vehicle starts right up. Always useful in the winter to have remote start. Those cold winter days, I know I wish I had it on my car. And then when you get inside to get going somewhere, the vehicle actually, all the dials are still going to be off. So if you look at your dashboard, you're going to see nothing's on, everything's kind of turned off. But then when you put the key in and turn it, everything comes alive. That's when we can just get in your car and drive away. So if you're looking for a vehicle, trying to get financing, I've got this and a whole bunch of other options right now on my lot. We're selling a ton of vehicles and we're getting new inventory almost every day to try to keep up. So we got some really nice stuff. Feel free to give me a call, 920-455-7788, or just stop in, visit us here at our location. Let's get you driving. Have a great day, guys. Talk soon.